In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopify store to handle finances efficiently. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to streamline your existing process, these steps will guide you through accessing your financial dashboard and managing vendor payments. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head to the homepage of your store. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your online business. From here, you have access to various tools and features designed to help you run your store smoothly. It's important to familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't already, as it will make everything much easier moving forward. Next, once you're on your store's homepage, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Among the options here, look for Finance and give it a click. This section is crucial as it encompasses all your financial dealings within Shopify. Here you can track and analyze your revenue, expenses, and get insights into how your store is performing financially. It's a good habit to routinely check this section to keep a close eye on your cash flow and overall financial health. Now that you're in the Finance section, the next step is to navigate to Pay a Vendor. This function is essential for managing your supplier payments, which can be a significant part of running an e-commerce business. By selecting Pay a Vendor, Shopify allows you to handle these transactions directly through the platform. This can help you save time and reduce the complexity of managing your finances through external methods. And that's about it. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're well equipped to manage your store's finances efficiently. Remember, keeping a close watch on your money flow and maintaining organized vendor transactions are pivotal for any business's success. As you become more familiar with these processes, they will become quicker and easier to manage. So, take a moment today to explore each of these sections and see how they can best serve your business needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy selling!